So 30 years ago, when I had my first real hi-fi system, there was a little bit of a fuss around a CD player that had been tuned at the time, and it sat at 5 gold stars for about 4 years in What Hi-Fi. So these days I've recently set up a new system, I've got a streamer, I've got a deck, and I'm happy. I've also got about 200 CDs that I'd not thought to resurrect and or use. But then, just as you do, I was just browsing through things, and I came upon what is essentially brand new 30-year-old CD player, and it is a Marantz CD-63mkII KI Signature. It is exactly the same beloved CD player that I had all those moons ago. So bought it in the Netherlands, or I've imported it from the Netherlands, and it's here. Externally it's in one piece. Internally, let's see. Wow, I mean, I've done this more through nostalgia than logic, but cutting the rope after all these precious years. Is there anything in it? I hope so. Yeah, I've done it. Sacrilege. My goodness. Original national batteries, I'll be surprised if they worked. Remote. Just gonna lift it out. Dun dun dun. Wow. 30 years since somebody lovingly packed this. Seems a bit disrespectful in some way. I don't know all that time. It even smells old. Yep. But, oh my goodness. Wow, that takes me straight back to my late 20s. Oh, absolutely incredible. That is so nostalgic for me. Wowza. Absolutely awesome. a brand new and unused 30-year-old Marantz CD-63mkII KI Signature.